The 2025 Honda Jazz is here, and it's redefining what a compact car can be. Sleek, practical, and packed with innovation, this model proves Honda isn't holding back. Let's dive into why the Jazz continues to be a standout in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Jazz gets subtle but impactful updates. The front fascia features sharper LED headlights and a redesigned grille that gives it a modern, almost futuristic look. Honda's added new alloy wheel designs and a refreshed color palette, including a striking solar silver metallic that shines under sunlight. The overall silhouette remains compact, but clever design tweaks enhance aerodynamics, making it as efficient as it is stylish. Inside, the Jazz is all about smart space. Honda's Magic Seat system returns, offering unmatched flexibility for a car this size. Fold the seats flat, and you've got enough room for weekend gear or a quick IKEA run. The cabin materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching on higher trims. Tech-wise, the 2025 model steps up with a larger 9-inch touchscreen running Honda's latest interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a customizable digital driver display keep everything intuitive and connected. Under the hood, the Jazz remains hybrid-focused. The updated e-HEV powertrain pairs a 1.5-liter engine with 2 electric motors, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Honda claims it'll sip fuel at around 60 mpg, making it a wallet-friendly choice. Drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, let you tailor the experience, whether you're cruising highways or navigating city streets. Safety isn't an afterthought. The 2025 Jazz includes Honda Sensing Suite as standard. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking work seamlessly, while new parking sensors and a 360-degree camera make tight spots stress-free. So, who's this car for? Urban commuters, small families, or anyone wanting practicality without sacrificing style. The Jazz balances efficiency, tech, and Honda's legendary reliability in a package that feels anything but basic. If you're into cars that nail the basics while pushing boundaries, the 2025 Honda Jazz deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to hit subscribe to Car Culture State for more deep dives into the latest models. Let us know in the comments, would you daily drive this updated Jazz? Thanks for watching, and keep fueling your passion for cars.